So, you want to start cleaning your car, but you don't quite know where to start? Well, don't worry, because you're not alone here, which is why we've created the Essential Starter Kit and video guide to get you started with washing, drying, and protecting your ride, and hopefully give you some detailing tips along the way. You always want to try and wash your car in the shade and make sure the panels are cool to touch. If you don't have shade, earlier in the morning or later in the afternoon are going to be the best times for washing. Hot surfaces and/or direct sunlight can increase the chances of water drying on the car, causing unwanted water spots and annoying cleanup. We're using the Shagtastic wash pad here for its handy size and super soft purpose-coloured fibres that are less likely to scratch and clearly show you dirt that you pick up along the way. Grab a bucket lid and place your wash tool on it as a safe spot to keep it clean and away from dirt whilst filling your buckets. Place down a wash and rinse bucket and fill them 3/4 full of water. Having a second bucket to rinse out your wash tool greatly reduces the amount of dirt transferring from your paint to the wash water. Add a great barrier thingy into each bucket to help keep the dirt and grime away from your wash tools while washing. Both of these combined helps to ensure your paint won't be scratched in the wash process. Add a capful of Nanolicious Wash to the wash bucket, then froth it up with your pressure washer or hose till you get a good head of suds. Give the car a pre-rinse now with the pressure washer or hose to remove as much of the dirt as possible from the surface. The less dirt that's on the paint, the safer the hand wash will be. Dip your wash tool into your rinse water first and give it a little thrash around. Squeeze the water out and then dip it into your wash bucket to get a good helping of suds. Start washing at the top of the car and work the pad in straight lines across the paint. Try not to wash in circular motions to minimise the chances of creating swirl marks. Nanolicious Wash is our best wash for modern cars that adds an epic shine. Its mega lubrication and cleaning power encapsulates dirt and helps prevent wash-induced swirls on your paint. Do a section at a time, leaving the lower, dirtier parts for last. A section could be a whole panel or half a panel, just depending on how dirty the car is. This top-to-bottom system helps to minimise dirt and grime from the lower parts of the car from coming back up and causing scratches on other panels. When using the Shagtastic wash pad, take care around badges and sharp corners by using lighter pressure, as the weave of the pad could possibly get caught. Rinse out your wash pad in a rinse bucket after every section, and when you finish washing, rinse the whole car down with the pressure washer or the hose to make sure there's no suds left on the car. Before drying, we'll add a layer of protection with our Wet Dreams protective spray. Wet Dreams is a spray-on, rinse-off sealant that will add a layer of protection, shine, and lasting slickness to your paint. Mist Wet Dreams evenly over one wet panel at a time using a sweeping motion. Then, rinse off immediately and thoroughly with a strong jet of water from the hose or pressure washer, making sure to rinse surrounding sections including the glass that may have received overspray from the application. If you want more beading, reapply to the area until you're satisfied and then continue section by section. As you rinse, you'll notice some epic bead porn that will continue to get better over the next 10 to 15 minutes as it cures onto the paint. This cured layer will also add an unbeatable level of gloss and slickness that will make drying even easier. Grab a drying towel like the Twisted Pro Sucker and add 4 to 6 sprays of Boss Gloss into it to act as a drying aid, adding lubrication and shine as you dry. Before finishing up, it's important to make sure that the microfiber gets a proper wash. Add 20 ml of microfiber wash to your machine and wash on a normal cycle with warm water. When the cycle is finished, put the cloths in the dryer on the cool setting or air dry indoors. It's ideal to then store your cloths in a sealable bucket once they're dry so they stay free from dust, ready for the next time you need them. We've tried to keep this guide short and simple to help you get started. If you have any questions, you can always give us a call or reach out through one of our social media channels. Thanks for watching.